Dr. Arsy number 003 moisturizer is such a great find, and I can tell you why. First, it's just a great overall moisturizer. It is super thick. Like, it is like no other moisturizer you've ever had before. I mean, super, super thick. But specifically, I use it on my kids who both have eczema, and it's really helped lock in that moisturizer for them. They also, like, for some of the other ones, like, I don't want to put on lotion, but they like putting this on because it's kind of a different texture and kind of fun for them, but it's also just super effective. So it's helped a lot with their eczema. It just helps with any dry skin. My knuckles are chapped right now because it's winter time, and it just totally really locks in the moisture and keeps your skin super hydrated and moisturized. So I would definitely recommend this product.